The earth will be shaken, the wave to come. I heard the voice of the Lord that was in the sky above China before of the pandemic, and before any news that can frighten the world. And the Lord said that several countries like Japan and some countries of the Europe and many will be hit by giant waves by the permission of God. I was praying and crying and speaking in languages and trembling with so much power. Immediately I understood that the world has already entered into the judgment of the Lord. The Lord said it was for us to pray for the world and Christians should pray. It all started on the 20th of June in the current year when I was resting in the afternoon. I felt such a great presence that I soon realized that I was with the Lord. My body trembles because the Lord visited me in a powerful way. I started to hear the audible voice of the Lord in my ears, which was very intense, and every time the Lord spoke I feared, for my ears were exposed to the voice of the Lord, which was thunderous, with a lot of authority and rigor. It was very strong. I paid attention to hear what God wanted to tell me. The Lord said to me, "My son, prophesy." I couldn't look at him because of the power of his glory. I was simply feeling his presence that was so strong that I felt very weak and shaky. Even as he sent me to prophesy, I prophesied with all my heart, strength, and out of my mouth I said the word of the Lord. While I prophesied I was shaking and my body seemed to be electrified. I said, "Woe to the inhabitants of the land, many disasters and cataclysm are imminent. Woe to the inhabitants of the land." Then I saw the land opening up with all strength, and I've never seen anything like it. When the earth opened, I saw a being coming out of the earth, who seemed to be a giant with a feminine aspect. Her appearance was like she was formed out of dust. The Lord told me, "Big earthquakes are going to happen and the land will suffer from disasters that are never seen before," and this was the reason I was to prophesy to the inhabitants of the earth. While I was prophesying, the Lord told me to prophesy against the church, for there were church-goers that call themselves Christians but they are hypocrites, doing all kinds of evil, using their lip to lie and doing wickedness. These hypocrites play with me. They think they are serving me but they are serving Satan. Great catastrophe and disasters will happen, still nothing compared to what lies ahead for humanity. Your time to smile and cheer is over. Now is my time. My judgment and my hour has come. The earth will be shaken and millions are going to die. Warning of the Lord to the European continent. The Lord visited me again while sleeping and told me, "My son, proclaim my word against Europe. This land is divorced from God, yet it was where God in the past have raised great movements that changed the history of the world. But today they are totally carnal to the point of neglecting the word of God and the worship of the God of their parents. This continent which has turned to wickedness after having met the true God, they partook the love of God one day and then they went on to embrace Satan. They are thus destined to be the Judas of the world, for they will lead humanity to perdition through the single currency and the single government." The Lord said, "In this land of Europe men are assembled together and are working to build the Tower of Babel, a one world language and one world government and one world God. But just as I confused the people who built the Tower of Babel, so I will confuse their union, thus bringing great wars and destruction of the global pact, followed by catastrophe because their sins. The blessed one who are in this continent and fear God, not following their satanic teachings, will not partake the punishment this continent will receive in the future, for the sake of my power and glory. Repent," said the Lord. The Holy Spirit is the number one missionary for the work of the Father, John 14 verse 26. But that Comforter, the Holy Spirit that the Father will send in my name, will teach you all things and will remind you of all that I have told you. Judgment of America. Brother, in my daily devotion and meditation at dawn the Lord opened my vision to clearly to see what was going to happen, and I saw the statue of Jesus Christ that is in Brazil falling down tightly. And then the Lord said that something terrible is about to happen in that country. I also saw the Statue of Liberty in the United States of America was falling down. The Lord told me that this last country is going to fall and He will give another one His power. Disasters are coming in these two countries like the chalice of the wrath of God, because I understand now that these two countries had been chosen by God to bring the world to Christ, but they did strange things. They gave themselves to freemasonry instead, doing the Master's work of evangelism. The other day, I was praying and the Lord took me in spirit to see some presidents of the world. and I saw President Trump with a ball of basketball. I also saw some other presidents. When I saw the Queen Elizabeth I couldn't understand. God told me at that moment that she would be gone, and that someone will come in her place. She was going to die, but already they will be someone she had prepared for the new world order that is imminent, the arrival of the Antichrist. I saw in a dream television and radio announcing that each community and neighborhood should be grouping before their local authority and their administration. I saw in this vision it was announced in radio and TV that everyone should attend the local authority to receive in a worldwide notification. I realized that it was the Antichrist arrival, and after that announcement urging people to attend the local government for the mark of the beast, I saw that the roads were closed and many have already reported to the authority. Brother, everything is already put together for the manifestation of the Antichrist. Soon we the saint will get out of here and leave the earth in the blast of the trumpet. After seeing the implementation of martial law and state of emergency for the marking of humanity, I also saw an evil power that rose out of hell. He was very big, but his head was like a chicken, and he came out of hell with the purpose of receiving his share of the dead, because he was released to reap the souls of men. God showed me very dirty swabs that had been used to clean ears of someone. The Christ said that in that time it will be clear to the nations' ears. It's time for them to hear my voice. Much will be transformed in that time. Brother, we got to seek peace with everyone. Let's fight with all our strength to enter the eternal kingdom. He also told me about the number of people who are crying now but after the pandemic are going to abandon him. Nobody with any kind of sin will be raptured. Those with sin in the mind and thought will not rise, even if they don't speak or commit masturbation in the body. If they desire and think to be women, they will not go up in the rapture if they don't regret. They must fight and die completely for this world of sin, for the kingdom of God demands a great resignation from the world. May the Lord God help us all to live in holiness, because the heavens demands it, as it is written in the word of God that without holiness no one will see you. This year in February I prayed and worshipped with the praises for what he had done for us. Glory of God. On that day my son at the end of March was saying that Jesus was going to return, and he saw the rapture, and he was quoting some names of pastors that would go up in the rapture, and others that would stay. I will hide identities. We were scared by what he said, so I went to lay down after devotion and I had rapture experience. I felt my soul leaving the body and was taken floating up to a very magnificent house, beautiful, and the floor looked like crystal and the walls were green, they shone. My son mentioned that I was also going to be left behind when the rapture happened, so I understand that the Lord brought me here for he wanted to deal with me. Since I have struggled to maintain my spiritual life, I understood that it was for me to bring peace and purity to people. Green representing hope. I awoke smiling and singing too, because I was renewed by his mercy. In this sense all I ask of God is that he help me walk the narrow path now.